This morning, I was surprised by two doves that suddenly appeared on my terrace. They looked so calm and not afraid at all. I kept watching them, and it felt like they came here on purpose. So I quickly went inside, grabbed some bird food, and called them down. To my surprise, they actually came closer and started eating. It was amazing to see that they were not afraid of me. Even while I stood near them, they just kept eating peacefully. They seemed so relaxed, enjoying every bite of the food I gave them. Moments like this feel really special when wild birds choose to trust you and share their time with you. I never expected doves to be so friendly. They didn't rush. They didn't fly away. It was like they felt safe being here with me. Watching them eat slowly, side by side, made me realize how beautiful simple mornings can be. Maybe tomorrow they will come again, and if they do, I'll be ready to welcome them back.